Yo, what's up? We are in the Sanur right now and we are heading into Warung Bank because we got so many requests and we are actually have a I wanna eat fish soup. It's very nice fish soup. The
Okay,
fantastic place, and meanwhile we're gonna show you how it looks the area because it's peak time, so it's quite busy over here. Here we go, that's how it looks, the area. It's quite busy, by the way. This is something new place, and I'm gonna show you around the local Balinese people. And the Warung Bank is over there with the fantastic fish soup. It's not paid endorsement, but everyone will confirm that. And at the front is the harbor, and it's quite busy here. Quite many local domestic tourists traveling to Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembonan. Also so many local businesses, new warungs around. Some coffee kiosk, hello Phuket, chok susu, something. As you see, it's quite busy in the harbor in San right now. To compare, when I make a vlogs exactly 1 year ago in June, July last year, 2020, Warung Bank is over there, and I'm not even sure if I'm gonna have any seat to having a fish soup because so many tourists just come back from the boat from Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Penida, as you see, and it will be so hard to having anything. So that's how it looks like. I will try to pass them a little bit. As you see, it's quite busy. Woo. You said bula? Ah, it's quite busy. Where are they coming from? I don't know. Let's go to the beach. We will show you today is the weather not so good. It's quite windy and dark. I hope so. It's gonna be rainy, by the way. We're gonna go to the harbor, show you harbor, how is it. If you're interested maybe to come to Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembonan Islands in the very near future. Now the harbor is quite nice, clean and very easy to navigate.
Yeah, but it seems like nowadays the current is very high.
The current, yeah.
The tide is very high.
If you are seasick, maybe it's not the best time to go to Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembonan right now. Or you can buy the SIM card here if you're interested also. And this is the harbor in Sanur right now already. Well, it's obviously already closed because it's the boats are just coming back. And here we go, how's the people struggling with the boats because of actually right now it's low tide and they have to push back the boat. Woo, very windy. Beautiful color of this cloud, by the way.
Oh my goodness, when I pass in front of my bank, so busy when, like when I walk like squeezing each other, and then I think that we will go to somewhere else. I don't think that we will get sit there, and yeah, because there are so many tourists. Actually, I think that they are coming from Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan, so maybe they're already hungry. So yeah, let's go to another place then.
So the Warung Bank is there and the people waiting still on the street to get food. So I really have no idea how I gonna get how we gonna get a table today. Meanwhile, we're gonna show you the area of Sanur Beach. This is actually the Sanur Beach. Check this guy, this dog. And this is the shopping stroll. And well, it's quite busy here actually. I don't know. We'll see. Nice, very nice. Oh, easy. That's good for the business, for the local people.
Yeah, I think nowadays is the holiday seasons, like the schools already end, the school year already ends. So yeah, it seems like Bali is now full of local domestic tourists.
Seems
So,
like.
yeah,
Seems
this
like.
is holiday season.
So that's how it look like. Alright, so if you are already here, let's see how it looks like on the beach, Sanur Beach. And also quite many local domestic people everywhere around. It's quite windy also, so I'm so sorry for the potentially bad sound quality. I really like the color of this cloud, by the way. Yeah, it's quite big. cool. It's middle of the week and the weather today, as you see, is not the best. I mean, it's still very hot and everything, but it's cloudy, windy, but that's still very enjoyable to be in Sanur Beach. And unfortunately also is the sad view over here, which is this abandoned hotel and coffee kiosk, unfortunately, and it doesn't look much optimistic. Well, I could say it's really looks abandoned for a very long time. And check this out, this swimming pool. Normally I will go inside and show you, but I'm afraid that there are some crocodiles inside. This looks actually really kind of scary. So sad, because I remember like 1 year ago, maybe 1.5 years ago, was just a nice old hotel there. So that's kind of sad. That's kind of sad. All right, one more time we come back to the area of Mukbang. Unfortunately, still people waiting on the street, as you see over there. So unfortunately, no dinner in Mukbang today. Alright, and that's how it looks, the one of the biggest traffic junction in Sanur right now. Check this out. It's almost messy, full of people driving every direction as before. Well, maybe not 100% like it was, but it's still very busy, as you see. It's quiet, busy. Good to see a lot of traffic around. I will show you slowly 180 degree how it looks like. All right, green light, so will be many people going now. Woo. Always good to see traffic in Bali, right? Comment below if you miss the traffic in Bali. So cool. All right, people already honk on each other also, so it's really action. Nice, very nice. Meanwhile, this is the Dunkin' Donuts in Sanur, if you are missing the place.
Okay, honey, so what would you like to eat for dinner? There's KFC there, Dunkin' Donut. So what do you want to eat?
Alright, so it's quite busy, as you see, so we have to find different place. Unfortunately, we cannot show you Mukbang today, otherwise we'll have to wait 1 or 2 hours on the street. Let's have some food in Renon, it's also very nice, yeah? Maybe some ikan bakar, grilled fish or something like this. We will see, yes?
Yeah, let's go to Renon. Only
Let's go
5
to
minutes.
Renon. Only 5-10 minutes from here. Alright, we arrived to the one restaurant in Renon, and the menu is so big, I really have no idea what I'm gonna have. Winnie is ordering something for me. I just said order whatever you like, and order for me, you know what I like and what I don't like. I will show you a little bit. Winnie is trying to order. They have a menu like a book. Seriously, like so much. I cannot show you, but it's quite affordable. Maybe ikan bakar, I don't know.
Ikan bakar?
Yeah, where is ikan bakar? Oh my god, the menu is so big and so, but yeah, a lot of tasty food. Ikan bakar kosong, cumi, gurami. I show you quickly. Bebek, not so bad actually. Quite affordable menu, but confusing.
You wanna have a grilled fish?
Maybe.
But the kerapu is not available.
Oh, take for me gurami then.
Gurami.
Yeah. Honey, what did you order, sayang?
Well, I order ikan gurami terbang, flying gurami. for
Flying
Damian.
gurami.
And then ikan goreng sambal rica-rica for me. So Damian will eat local food today.
I will eat local food, and I'm gonna show you local restaurant little bit around. Oh, it looks very nice, beautiful, really beautiful. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. It's in Renon Center actually. Beautiful sitting area, not so bad, not so bad. Inside, outside, beautiful lady. Hello, how are you? They have even a coffee machine, that's good. And that's how it looks, city life outside in Renon. This is Main Street. And if you are interested, what's the name of the restaurant? Is this Bendega or something like that? That's not paid endorsement on anyway. And they have even the machine for sanitizing or something like that.
Okay, so this restaurant actually that this is a very legend place. I mean, like when I was a small kid, this restaurant already exists. So this restaurant is called Warung Bendega, and still exists until now. So nice.
So nice, brings memories to you. Our food arrived, check this out. I will show you around because it looks really beautiful. Check this out, this is called flying fish. It looks super cool.
Yeah, so I order ayam rica-rica and Damian order flying fish. Smacznego, selamat makan.
Smacznego.
Right guys, maybe most of you are asking why you always showing food and restaurant. Yeah, because this is part of our daily life. So we are going dinner or something like that. So yeah, this is just how it is, right? I think that's all our video for today. Yeah, from Sanur and then we move to Renon. Behind me, this is how the traffic at night in Renon. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.